A cylindrical tank with radius and height of 21.43 cm and 12 cm respectively is filled up to 80% of its capacity with alcohol. If total alcohol from cylindrical tank is transferred into 30 cuboidal flask whose length and breadth each are 7 and 3 centimeters respectively, find the height of each cuboidal flask. Okay, so we are given that a cylindrical tank is there whose height and radius is given to us. Okay, so first of all, what is the formula to calculate volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h. All right, so for pi we'll write 22 by 7. R is given to us as 21.43, so r square I'll write to 21.43 into 21.43 into h is given to us as 12. All right, now this is 100% of the volume, but we are told that the cylindrical tank is filled up to 80% of the capacity. So this is 100%, but we are told that only 80% of this cylindrical tank is filled. So we'll multiply this by 80 by 100. We'll multiply this with 80%. Now let's see how much alcohol is there in this cylindrical tank. So let's solve this. So we get 24 is 80, 25 is a. Here we can approx this 21.43 for as 21 and approx this 21.43 as 22. Okay, so 21 3s are 27 3s are 21. So here we get 22 into 22, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 12. So after calculating all this, we'll get answer which would be approximately equal to 13856 centimeter cube. Okay, so you can calculate it by yourself. You'll get the answer as 13,856 centimeter cube. So this much of alcohol is there in this cylindrical tank. Now this much of alcohol is to be transferred into 30 cuboidal flasks. So first of all, what is volume of one cuboidal flask? So cuboidal flask is simply a cuboid, right? And volume and the formula to calculate volume of cuboid, it is length into breadth into height. Now this is for one cuboidal flask. We have 30 of these, so the volume of 30 here will be, we'll simply multiply this with 30. Okay, so we'll get the volume of 30 cuboidal flask. Now we know that in total this much of alcohol needs to be transferred in this. So instead of volume of cuboidal flask, we'll write this value because this much of alcohol needs to be transferred here. So 13,856 will be equals to, now length and breadth is given to us. Okay, so length and breadth each are 7 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively. So length is 7, breadth is 3, and height is what we have to find out, right? Find the height of each cuboidal flask. So height into this 30. Now we have here h is equals to 13,856 divided by this 21, 7 3s are 21, divided by this 30. So after solving this, we'll get our answer, which would be equal to, h will be equals to 21.99. So we can approximately say that this is approximately equals to 22, and this is our required answer. So here option E is the correct one.